Hey guys, it's Younique here, and I just got this in. It's by Younique. I don't know if you can see that. And it's Moonstruck Epic 4D, and I got it from my Turner Syndrome sister, Allison. Shout out to her, and I'll leave her link in the description below. I just got this in today. I am so excited to try this out, guys. This is what it looks like. There we go. So I'm going to put a little eye makeup on, just a little. This is my thing from Ipsy. Oh, still there. Because I want to match my shirt. Okay. So I'm going to put a little on here. I know the lighting's not that good in here, and I'm sorry. What I'll do is, if y'all can't see it, I'll go to a different section and then show you guys after I'm done here too. So everything done here. Nice. Put a little eyeliner on. Because why not? Because why not? And the 4D, from what I was told, is it actually makes it look like you have fake eyelashes. And I am all for that. All for that. Are you guys okay? Hold on, guys. There we go. Are you guys okay? Hold on. Trying to get y'all settled here. Hold on. Hold on. What we got here? There we go. Okay. Now that we have it handled, are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? All right. But anyways, it's supposed to look like you have fake eyelashes. It lasts up to 6 months to a year. How crazy is that, guys? Okay, so here we go. I'm here for this. So let's do it. No freaking way. Okay, guys, I'm here for this. I am so here for this. You like to put it on maybe once or twice? Okay. This turn around here. Okay, I'm going to pause it. I'm I'm going to pause it and I'll be right back with you guys. All right? Okay, guys. I am in love with this mascara. Loving it. Like I said, I will leave her link in the description. I love it, guys. And I know you will too. It's a 4D Moonstruck mascara. You're going to throw your old mascara away. I am totally here for it. Love it, love it, love it. And that's my review, guys. Like I said, I'll leave her link in the description. Go check her out. Moonstruck 4D mascara. Totally here for it. And she has other makeups on her site, Younique site. It is so worth it. Alright, guys. So that's my review. Love you guys. Bye.